Welcome, my name is Max Hackman, and today I'm going to show you how to do a basic search using Business Source Complete database. Once you get to the Daytona State College Library website, we're going to scroll down and select the database link on the right hand side of the page. This is going to bring us to an alphabetical listing of all the databases, so we're going to look under the B's, and we're going to scroll down to Business Source Complete. I've already logged in, but if you have any problems logging in, please reach out to us either through chat or email, and we also have a tutorial you can check out. Once we get here, your main search box will be up here. Beneath that will be a bunch of limiters that you can use as well. Let's just jump in by searching for UPS. As you can see, keyword searching does jump up there, so if you have any issues locating useful results, double check that, make sure some of their suggestions might not be more useful. As you can see, we have 34,000 results, so quite a bit. You can narrow these down here on the side using these limiters. All these are the same limiters that were on the front page beneath that main search box. And you can see it really narrowed it down to just under 4,000 results. So that was pretty helpful to narrow that down. If that's not what you're looking for, this database also has company information over here on the side. So let's just type in UPS and see if we can get some more company information this way. All right, now we got a lot of different options here. It looks like the main UPSs that that we know the most: ground freight and supply chain. Let's look at the ground freight UPS, and this will give you quite a bit of background information here on this company. There's a lot of different useful tools over here on the side. This permalink will bring you right back here after you've logged in. It will work very well. This one up here is a timed link, so make sure you understand the difference between those two links. The citation is very helpful as well. This is probably not as useful for the company profile, but if you get into a article and you want to cite that article, this is great as well. So let you know that that's there. You can save it to your Google Drive account as well. If you guys have any more questions or any more issues while you're searching, please reach out to us through chat or email, and we'll definitely help you out. Thank you.